Today is another transfer Tuesday, and we're gonna pay off some of from my student loan. I haven't done a video for quite a while now for my student loan, but I'm still been paying. Hopefully, this student loan I'll pay it off. I'm kind of like, what am I doing? I really have to pay off this student loan. So keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is Transfer Tuesday, and on Transfer Tuesday, all that I do is to pay off my student loan. So today we're going to see what we can do towards the student loan. Yeah, before we get started, let me read today's motivational message. It says that we rise by lifting others. Yes, we do. It's like a teamwork. Everybody help each other, and we will rise up very well, and up, no stopping. That's why we are here to motivate you. So if you are feeling reluctant to pay off some of your debt, consumer debt, and it's stopping you to do other stuff, that's why we are here. We are here to lift you up as well. You are also lifting me up by coming into comments, subscribing, telling others about my channel. So we are all rise by lifting others. Yes, so today let's go ahead and check it out. Like I said, I haven't done a video on it for quite some time now. I was just taking a whole off, like literally. I didn't have time to do videos, and I wasn't even getting motivated to do videos. This month was my birthday month. I needed to take some time off to do other stuff. I have about 6 birthdays that we celebrate in May. Very busy at work. It's almost getting to the half of the year. So everything is kind of like busy. I'm telling y'all. So today I'm going to do, I didn't do week 2, I'm doing week 3. So as of today, let me start by saying this. For those of you who are new here, I started my debt. I started updating my debt on my channel here since 2022, and it was $93,609.63. Before this, I've already paid a lot. After school in 2016, I had about 250,000 with all my debt, my student loan. I had a new car. I have a lot of credit card debt. So when I combined everything, it was about 250. But for my student loan was about bank of it. I think it was about, if I'm not mistaken, about 170, 180 of that was student loan. So I did pay it off. I paid all the private one off, and it was left with the federal one, and I did pay it off. So as of 2022, which was between 2016 and 2022, which was about 6 years interval, I paid quite a lot. I really did pay quite a lot. So I started with $93,609.63. As of 2023, I have $74,000. 2024, this year, we started with $57,421.10. So as of last month, I started with $55,629. I know for my balance was $55,629. I did pay it, and it came down to be, I did pay a lot, was $54,800. That's what I end up the last time I made a video, and my percentage was 41% roughly. So today, as I'm talking to you right now, and I check my portal, I had about my starting balance out of today. is 54,927.53. So that's what I have aside now. The payment I'm making today is $200.53. Normally when I'm paying, I pay off the cent at the end of each one so that I get like a round number to start the following week. And as you also can see, which I will zoom it a little bit, let me see. Okay, so as you can see, the interest acquired on the student loan every day. So as last time that I updated you guys, I ended with 54,800. So the interest acquired is about $127. So I'm hoping to like get to a time I'll put a chunk of money so that I will overcome the interest. So when I put a chunk of money, I get interest, but not as bad, because it's really a lot. That within just a short span, I've inquired about $127 interest. So just imagine if you are not paying, or if you are not paying even the above the minimum, it means that your loan is not going anywhere. I've been paying a lot on it, and I still not seeing a lot of attraction, but it's okay. So today we are putting 253 cents. So my balance right now will be 54,000. I will just take it out from here. 727. That's how much is left as of today. My percentage to debt free, which is one of the things that when I do, it motivates me a lot, will be, always miscalculate. 54,727 divided by 93,609.6 times okay, so we still at 41.54%. Okay, so that's how far we are. Super grateful. Okay, so that's how far we are. I also have this that I kind of like mark it off. It's kind of a tracker for me. I have this on my Etsy shop. I created this myself just to motivate me, and I'm at 41%. So I've counted 41 of these boxes. I can't wait to get to 42, which roughly I can maybe by the end of this month. So this is how far we are in the tracker. Anytime I look at it, I'm like, I'm getting to the finish line, almost there. Almost there. So if you need any motivation to pay off your debt, your student loan, we are here to motivate each other. We are here to lift each other up together as a whole. So thank you for watching me today. Super grateful to have everybody here. For my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. And for those of you who have seen my video, go ahead and share with others. I'm pretty sure it will motivate other people. So thank you. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.